5 Best Strollers of 2022. Welcome to Product Review, Dad channel. Today we will be reviewing the 5 best strollers. Searching for the best strollers? For this update, we picked the top products across the full range of types of strollers. We'll take you through the best of the best, one for every goal and budget. For more information about these products, check out the link in the description below with the updated price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. Thule Spring. The Thule Spring is a full-size stroller that is surprisingly light and compact. It has an ultra-quick fold, comfortable seating, and uses quality materials. It is an easy-to-use full-size stroller from Thule. It is one of the most compact folded options in its category when folded, making it suitable for families with limited space. It includes a large storage bin, deep recline, and large canopy. It is compatible with multiple infant car seats from Chico, Maxi-Cosi, Duna, and Cybex. This full-size stroller is relatively easy to push, but the plastic wheels make uneven terrain in gravel and grass more challenging. While not being the best in a group that includes rubber tires and joggers, the plastic wheels are still higher quality than most plastic competitors. We think this impressive stroller works well, has a reasonable price, and includes features parents and little ones will enjoy. Weight, 22.7 pounds. Folded size, 7,650 cubic inches. Reasons to buy: lightweight for a full size. Compact and quick fold. Reasonable price. Reasons to avoid: plastic wheels. Less impressive off-road. Number 2. UPPAbaby Cruz V2. If you asked us to pick a single product we recommend to our friends concerned with quality, it is the UPPAbaby Cruz V2. No questions. The Cruz V2 is lightweight, comparatively, easy to use, and uses high-quality materials that feel durable. Plus, the Cruz V2 works well with infant car seats, including a few of our favorites, like the UPPAbaby Mesa and Chico KeyFit 30. We love the vast storage basket with a 30-pound weight limit, the super large canopy, and the addition of suspension on the V2, making the new Cruz better than practically any competitor. The wheels on the Cruz are relatively small, and their disappointing size makes it more challenging to traverse uneven surfaces than the larger tires on joggers. However, the Cruz offers excellent maneuverability on smooth surfaces, making it highly suitable for running errands and public venues. While the Cruz V2 is more expensive than most full-size and jogging competitors, many users feel its higher quality and easy-to-use features more than justify the higher cost. Weight, 25 pounds. Folded size, 12,469 cubic inches. Reasons to buy: high quality, great features, works great with an infant car seat. Reasons to avoid: expensive. Number 3. Baby Jogger City Mini 2. The Baby Jogger City Mini 2 is a lighter, compact, easy-to-fold option we readily recommend to friends, especially those looking for something budget-friendly. The City Mini 2 is excellent for most adventures that don't head off-road or include running. It is easy to use, good quality, and comfy for passengers. With a cozy seat, good for napping. With a large storage basket and a giant canopy, the City Mini 2 has convenient features that work well for a terrific value compared to the competition. The City Mini 2 is not the right choice if you want a one-and-done stroller and plan to jog with your little one. It also isn't suitable for hiking or moving off smooth surfaces very far. However, despite these limitations, it is a great everyday option that can also do double duty for travel. We think most parents will love this economical choice that is also compatible with various infant car seats. So it fills 3 niches in one. If you are strolling for 2, there is a double version of this option called the Baby Jogger City Mini 2 Double. Weight, 17.5 pounds. Folded size, 8,300 cubic inches. Reasons to buy: budget friendly, lighter than average, simple, compact fold, compatible with infant car seats. Reasons to avoid: harder to push. Not a jogger. Number 4. UPPAbaby Vista V2. The UPPAbaby Vista V2 is a fantastic high-end choice we recommend for parents that want a little more of everything and aren't worried about the price tag that comes with it. The Vista V2 is also a great double option as it can grow with your family, carrying up to 3 little ones with ease, age-dependent. The Vista V2 is stylish, easy to use, and includes quality parts and attention to detail. This product has various seating configurations and includes a toddler seat and bassinet in the purchase price. The Vista V2 works with 2 toddler seats, 2 infant carriers, seats and adapters purchased separately, 2 bassinets, or any combination of seating facing forward or backward. It features a giant storage bin and canopy with a nap-worthy seat recline. The Vista V2 delivers high functionality, a lower price tag, and unusually lower weight than similar competitors. The Vista V2 moves well for its size, and we think parents will enjoy its adjustable handlebar and giant under-seat storage bin with an unheard-of 30-pound max allowance. The Vista V2 has one of the highest prices in our reviews, making it a potential no-go for families on a tight budget. Also, it is not suitable for running. However, we think it's tough to beat the Vista V2, especially for families with multiple children or plans to grow, if your budget allows. If the price tag is not in your wheelhouse or a double option isn't a necessity, then the less spendy, smaller and lighter UPPAbaby Cruz V2 should make your list instead. Folded size, 14,157 cubic inches. Reasons to buy: high quality, expands for 3 children, excellent storage. Reasons to avoid: stiff price tag, and it's on the heavier side. Number 5. The Doona Combo. The Doona Combo is a unique car seat and strolling combo that combines 2 products. This cool mashup makes the Duna a ridiculously easy-to-use product that is good for those who frequent public transportation and city dwellers. This combo lets parents push their baby from place to place, from home to a day on the town, including public transportation. The car seat is easy to use, installs quickly without the base, and fills a niche for parents who live in the city and may otherwise choose to forego a car seat for convenience. The Doona Combo may not be the ideal option for every family, thanks to a relatively higher price, heavy carrying weight, and limited lifespan. Still, you can't beat it for city families that may otherwise legally skip using a car seat because they are a pain to carry or require a strolling companion. We think this is the easiest way to get your baby from an apartment to an Uber to strolling with ease and enviable style, making it a must-have for parents on the go and those who frequent public transportation. Weight, 16.5 pounds. Folded size, 8,150 cubic inches. Reasons to buy: unique combo with car seat. Excels at city life. Easy to use. Reasons to avoid: heavy car seat, relatively higher price. Thank you for watching this video, and hope it was helpful. You can find the products in the links below in the description. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for the newest videos. Feel free to comment with a video recommendation you would like to see and what your thoughts are on these suggestions. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.